Hey there everybody! Welcome to our channel. If you're watching this, you're probably thinking about retirement, or maybe you're already knee-deep in it, wondering what in the world to do with all this free time. Well, fear not my friend, because today, we're diving into the top 10 activities and hobbies to make your retirement years the best years of your life. We're talking about more than just early bird specials and figuring out how to use those senior discounts. So buckle up, grab your reading glasses, or maybe just zoom in on that screen, and get ready for some serious retirement inspiration. First up, we've got gardening. Now I know what you're thinking. Gardening? That sounds like work. But trust me, it's not work when you're retired. It's like a walk in the park. If your park had tomatoes growing on trees and cucumbers doing the Macarena. Plus, think of all the money you'll save on groceries. You'll be rolling in zucchini bread and homemade salsa. You can even start a side hustle selling your prize-winning pumpkins. Who knows? You might become the neighborhood's go-to veggie vendor. And the best part? You get to be outside, soak up some vitamin D, and enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Just remember your sunscreen, because let's be honest, you've earned the right to avoid those pesky wrinkles. But seriously, gardening is a great way to stay active, connect with nature, and maybe even attract some cute little bunnies to your backyard. Next up, we're talking about travel. Remember all those years you spent dreaming of exotic destinations while you were stuck in traffic? Well, guess what? Now's your chance to cash in those frequent flyer miles and finally see the Eiffel Tower in person. You've got all the time in the world to explore ancient ruins, perfect your gelato eating skills in Italy, or learn how to tango in Argentina. Don't be afraid to embrace your inner Indiana Jones and try something adventurous. Go ziplining through the rainforest, learn to scuba dive in the Great Barrier Reef, or take a cooking class in Thailand. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore. Now let's talk about something near and dear to my heart, volunteering. Retirement is the perfect time to give back to your community and make a real difference in the world. Plus, it's a great way to meet new people, learn new skills, and maybe even score some free cookies. Who doesn't love free cookies? Think about what you're passionate about. Do you love animals? Volunteer at a local animal shelter or rescue organization? Are you a bookworm? Offer to read to children at the library or help out at a bookstore? The possibilities are endless. Volunteering is a win-win situation. Not only are you helping others, but you're also keeping your mind and body active. And let's be honest, it feels pretty darn good to make a difference. So go out there, spread some kindness, and make the world a better place. Always dreamed of being a rock star? Now's your chance. Learning a new instrument is a fantastic way to challenge yourself, stimulate your brain, and maybe even impress your grandkids. Think about it. You could be the coolest grandparent on the block, jamming out on the electric guitar or serenading your loved ones with the saxophone. Just imagine the look on their faces when you bust out a mean rendition of Freebird at the next family gathering. And hey, if you're not quite ready to front a rock band, there are plenty of other instruments to choose from. Try the piano, the violin, the drums, or even the ukulele. The ukulele is making a comeback, you know. It's hip, it's portable, and it's surprisingly easy to learn. So dust off that old guitar from the attic, find yourself a patient teacher, and get ready to unleash your inner musician. Who says you need to be a starving artist to enjoy painting? Retirement is the perfect time to unleash your inner Picasso and create your own masterpieces. And the best part? No grades, no pressure, just pure artistic freedom. Don't worry if you haven't picked up a paintbrush since kindergarten. There are tons of beginner-friendly painting classes and tutorials available online and in your community. You can experiment with watercolors, acrylics, oils, or even finger painting. And remember, there are no mistakes in art, only happy accidents. So let your imagination run wild, embrace the creative process, and don't be afraid to get a little messy. So go ahead, grab a canvas, some paint, and let your inner artist shine. Calling all foodies. Retirement is the perfect time to finally master those culinary skills you've always wanted. Imagine whipping up gourmet meals for your friends and family, impressing your significant other with romantic dinners, or just enjoying delicious home-cooked meals every night of the week. Cooking classes are a fun and interactive way to learn new recipes, techniques, and cuisines. So ditch the takeout menus, put on your chef's hat, and get ready to embark on a delicious culinary adventure. Namaste, my friends. Retirement is the perfect time to slow down, de-stress, and find your inner peace. And what better way to do that than with yoga? Yoga is a fantastic way to improve your flexibility, balance, and strength, while also calming your mind and reducing stress. Plus, it's a great excuse to buy those comfy yoga pants we all know and love. Don't worry if you can't touch your toes or twist yourself into a pretzel. Yoga is for everyone, regardless of age or flexibility level. There are plenty of beginner-friendly classes and modifications available, so you can find a practice that suits your needs. So, find a peaceful spot, roll out your mat, and let the stresses of the day melt away. Always dreamed of writing a novel? Now's your chance. Retirement offers the gift of time, and what better way to spend that time than by putting pen to paper or fingers to keyboard and letting your imagination soar. Join a writing group, take a creative writing class, or simply set aside some dedicated writing time each day. The most important thing is to just start writing and see where your words take you. Birdwatching. It's for the birds. Think birdwatching is just for retirees with binoculars and khaki vests? Think again. Birdwatching is like a real-life Pokemon Go, but with actual birds. It's a fun, relaxing, and surprisingly addictive hobby that allows you to connect with nature, learn about different species, and appreciate the beauty of the birds in your own backyard. Grab a pair of binoculars, a field guide, and a comfy chair, and get ready to discover the fascinating world of birds. Last but not least, let's get those feet moving. Dancing is a fantastic way to stay active, have fun, and maybe even relive your glory days on the dance floor. Whether you prefer ballroom dancing, salsa, line dancing, or just shaking your groove thing in your living room, there's a dance style out there for everyone. Don't be afraid to let loose, have fun, and show off your moves. Sign up for a dance class, join a dance group, or simply crank up the music at home and let your body move to the rhythm, and who knows, you might even become the life of the party. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 fun and fulfilling hobbies to help you rock your retirement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which hobby you're excited to try. Until next time, stay curious, stay active, and keep on rocking. See you next time.